Do you know Paul Harris, the founder of Rotary? If not, I'm here to tell you about him and Rotary. Rotary is the largest international service organization and is a voluntary, non-profitable, non-government, non-religious organization. Rotary concentrates majorly on local mentorship, building schools, disease awareness and treatment, scholarships, blood donation, emergency food supply, and many more. If you are ready to know more, let's begin with the history. It was years into the 20th century and Chicago was already an industrial giant and growing. People were arriving from all corners of the world with a wide variety of skills and talents, but common belief that hard work and better ideas made all things possible. In 1871 they had designed and built the world's first metal frame skyscraper. In 1900 innovative engineers actually reversed the flow of the Chicago River. While its factory steel mills and business of every description shipped their products around the globe. Against this bustling backdrop, on the 23rd of February 1905, Paul Harris and three of his friends met in a small office in downtown Chicago and started Rotary with an idea that business and professional people could join together in fellowship and service to the community. Word of the club soon spread and others were invited to join. They named their new club, Rotary, to describe the practice of meeting in rotation at the members' various places of business. The greatest achievement of the organization was polio eradication. It's all started with one small project, and 6 million children were safe from polio forever. After this step by Rotary, countries started acknowledging the selfless service of Rotary. Rotary volunteers traveled jungles, villages, valleys, mountains, and forests but never stopped to supply polio vaccine. Every life does matter is the motto behind their service, and together they prove that when you put service above self, the world can be a much better place. Today Rotary Club is spread over 195 countries and territories, 35,000 clubs, and has 1.22 million members around the world. Smallest things from the right people can make a large difference. If you feel the spark, remember Rotary. Thank you for watching this video and comment below your suggestions and reviews. Subscribe and stay tuned for amazing story from Italy in the next episode.